Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into an incredibly important topic. Gut Health 101 will be exploring the foods that can heal and nourish your digestive system. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these essential tips. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why gut health is so crucial. Did you know that our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad? These bacteria play a pivotal role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. That's why it's vital to keep our gut microbiome in balance. Now let's talk about the foods that can promote a healthy gut. First up, fiber-rich foods. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are excellent sources of fiber. Fiber acts as fuel for the good bacteria in our gut, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Next on our list is probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for our digestive system. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are packed with probiotics which help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you eat. Slow down and chew your food thoroughly. This simple habit aids digestion and allows your body to absorb nutrients more effectively. Hydration is key. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and remember, herbal teas and infused water are excellent hydrating options too. Let's not forget about prebiotics. Prebiotics are a type of fiber that nourishes the good bacteria in our gut. Foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus are rich in prebiotics and support a healthy gut microbiome. Lastly, listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. If you notice discomfort or digestive issues after eating certain foods, consider eliminating or reducing them from your diet. And there you have it, folks. Incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your diet can work wonders for your digestive health. Remember, it's all about balance and variety. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.